y'all see, man, we putting in the grill badge on the RT. And then we doing his back tail light, but I'm finna show y'all which RT we putting the grill badge on. So on this one, we're putting the grill badge, we're gonna put it like right up in there, y'all. So yeah, we're gonna put it like up in there. Then on here, man, we tend to hit tail lights and all that. So yeah, man, with that being said, first thing we gotta do, man, is just take out my front bumper. So yeah, man, let's go ahead and get it. Take out the front bumper. All right, man, take out the front bumper. You just got these 2 clips right here. You got 2 clips and then a bolt in there. Then you gotta get all this right here off. Get these off. I'm just gonna lift this up. So,
okay, popping the hood on it.
Like that.
All right.
Lift this up over here.
Not coming to my crib, buddy.
Just like that. Pop these clips up right here. These bitches already loose. That's how you know I ain't have them in there. Thank you.
Learn about these clips.
It's already dirty, bro. I ain't even did nothing. Got 2 clips over here that you gotta pop out.
Popping the hood.
Popping the hood.
Damn,
you
my
been
bad.
taking out the bumper.
Taking out the bumper.
Damn, I gotta turn the wheel, y'all. Hold on.
Keep locking alive. RTA bumper. Oh yeah, he is. On the wind though.
Bro, I can't get this clip out.
It shouldn't be that hard.
Bro, hell no, bro. Jalen, you the pro with that, bro. That bit out, bro.
Good, that bit milk.
What?
How that bit milk?
I don't know what his ass talking about, bro.
That bit melting, ain't it?
Man, just pull this. I don't know what his ass. His ass just yapping talking about that shit melted. Bit need some WD-40 or something.
What the fuck would that need some WD-40, bro?
That bit gonna slip out.
What did he say?
That bit melted, bro. I'm telling you what
Bro,
it
get
is,
that bit
bro.
on out of there, bro.
Chat somebody named melted. What this is then, chat?
What's wrong with that bitch?
Bro, that bitch just ain't made like y'all, bro. Got a 10mm bolt right here. We getting out. Alright, man. So now, shit, the bumper should come off, y'all.
Terrell, you start with that car from.
I can't tell y'all all that. We got that bit off, bro. Yeah, I can see, man. We got the bumper off. Now I'm finna put the light in through there. Go like this. Take out the back brackets. Take this off. Then you just gonna put it off and through there, and then screw it in through the back. Man, right there in the corner. That perfect, chat. That shit straight. And my shit straight, bitch, ass nigga. Get this through there. You gotta take this a loop.
Unclip it and push it through wire.
Yeah.
Push wire through.
How the fuck I? There you go.
Oh, yeah.
There you go, chat.
Okay. Hey, any of y'all in the chat got these light up badge? Let me know what to find one.
That shit cricket, chat. Take that bitch through there.
These ain't even no motherfucking Yeezys. I think he got them like it.
Oh! Damn. Oh!
Perfect. Yeah. That shit right there.
Yeah. Bet. Man, y'all see, man, look how it look on. Now we're just putting the bumper on. Yeah, so man, we got the bumper on. So now what I'm finna do, loosen that bolt right here for my black battery, my black wiring gonna go under this bolt right here. So yeah. Matter of fact, y'all, let's say this for last. Hold on. I heard some sparking, bro. Hey, y'all, man. So we got it in, man.
I appreciate that, fam.
Forced up into the fuse box. Simply ran that under there, and then just find one of your fuses to plug it into. All right, man. So we're finna tint the little tail light real quick. This right here is a driver fender. It's gonna go right here. Hey, you sure that where it go, bro?
Well, no fucking shit.
Bro, don't it say driver fender, bro?
That's your driver fender. What you say? Shit.
Bro, you all in the camera. You love tuning that ass.
Oh, brother, whoa.
The trail in the cut.
Freaky trail, bro. You know, soaking water on there?
Yeah, nah, bro. You do that shit dry.
Yeah, straight like that.
Straight like that. It already looking nice. Pop the trunk, bro.
Gotta pop the trunk for real?
Uh-oh, Jack. Uh-oh, Jack.
All the shit on the trunk, bro. This is passenger trunk. What did it? They go right there, don't it?
Passenger trunk, Trail.
This is the passenger side, and this is the trunk.
I mean,
Yeah. I just gotta make sure, bro.
Hey, bro. Hey, come on, bro. Dude, stay tuning it up on somebody, bro.
Up, bro. You a grown ass man. Tune your ass up, bro. Every 5 seconds.
Now you putting that one on. Our trunk, bro. God damn, man.
They to my hell yeah, it's dirty over there. They to my honey bun. Man, you gotta have the snacks on deck. Like, gotta have the snacks on deck. Since y'all don't know what's up in there, man, you got type of juices and you gonna eat your honey bun.
Shit.
They to my snack, man.
Hey, TikTok, what the universe do?
Yeah, well.
Oh, trunk, nigga.
Y'all want me to press the button? There you go. I say it's money. They say it's money, the universe.
Oh shit, bet. Appreciate it.
You got a sucker for money. He'll do anything for a piece of change, man.
He'll do anything for that galaxy.
Anything.
What do you mean by that?
We looking comfortable.
How we looking? Y'all mess with it, check. Y'all mess with it.
Shit.
I don't even think the red part's supposed to be tinted.
What's this here right here? Passenger fender.
Nah, that don't look right. Yeah, that, all right, look right now. Yeah. Hey, like the live, man.
Like the live.
Like the live for that.
Oh shit.
Oh, my bad, bro. I'm being the bad camera, man. I ain't even getting all that action.
Yeah. Y'all see how we get off in there, man.
Got a nigga working.
Tight shit. Pop that bit. No shit. Fuck.
It's already popped, bro.
Oh, that popped the trunk.
Yeah.
Oh, my dumb man was wrong about that bitch, man.
This shit supposed to go that way, chat. Especially when you turn your damn lights on, that shit gonna be comp, bro. I'm telling you. It go that way, don't it?
Out of gas. Damn, what the people. My bad, cameraman. Where you on? My bad.
Let me go up some more. Let's go up some more.
The plastic shit gonna go to
Plastic.
the plastic shit.
I don't know what you're talking about.
This.
Nigga, that shit coming out good shit. Just let me cook.
Alright, bro. I'm gonna trust the process, bro.
Lock in, bro. Shit.
Oh,
shit.
my.
Shit.
Shit, hold on now.
Oh, shit.
That's gonna be calm. That's calm.
Fuck your trunk coming open, bro.
Make sure you get them zebras on the side. Yeah. They said, oh my, that shit turned me on. I know it looks amazing.
That bitch look
Trevor
good.
was right. That shit turned you on. I already know it. I did. He kinda did too. Oh yeah, that looks amazing, buddy.
Turn it on real quick
The
so I
zebra
see it's
type.
all the way at the bottom.
I'm finna do a startup for y'all.
Hold on, I gotta make sure. Alright, bet.
So me and J-Lo can start going live. All three of us can start going live.
The bit reveal.
That will look good, fool.
TikTok, man, we finna give y'all a little cold start down the line.
back, cause this bitch got a bump. A bump on the Glock, feel him up, call him clump. If you reach for my neck, boy, you're welcome to slump shit. Rock out the party, they chain on my neck, nigga know I don't flex. If you reach, I'm a 3, then I turn to a teacher. Look at you, my pet, bitch, I been on this shit. Look at me, a veteran. Had to get out, had to get off my